Part B. The Earth. The Earth is the only planet in the universe with life. Earth did not always look like this. Long ago, there was no Earth at all. Scientists believe that the Earth started as a large ball of burning gases. For billions of years, it kept spinning. Its outer surface became cold and hard. Layers of the Earth. The Earth is made up of three layers. Crust. The outermost layer of the Earth is called the crust. It is the coldest layer of the Earth. It consists of rocks like granite and basalt. Mantle. The middle layer of the Earth is called mantle. It is a thick layer of rocks with metals like iron and magnesium. Core. The innermost layer of the Earth is called core. It is the center of the Earth. It is the hottest part of the Earth. It is further divided into a liquid outer core made up of nickel iron mixture and solid inner core made up of iron. Volcano. We know that the inner part of Earth has hot boiling liquid rocks and gases. Under very high pressure, they shoot upwards. They came out from the Earth's surface as lava from cone-shaped structure like volcanoes. Movement of the Earth. The Earth is moving all the time. It keeps spinning on its axis and the same time it is moving around the sun. The two different motions of the Earth account for change of day and night and also of seasons. Rotations. The Earth rotates on the axis from west to east. The axis is an imaginary line passes through the northern and southern pole of the Earth. The rotation of the Earth is completed in about 24 hours and it is called the daily motions of the Earth. The motion is responsible for the occurrence of day and night. Revolution. The movement of the Earth around the Sun in its orbit is called revolution. This movement of the Earth is also from west to east. The period of revolution is 1 year. This is called solar year. This causes the different seasons of the Earth. The seasons are spring, summer, monsoon and winter. These are 4 seasons. The seasons. The Earth is divided into 2 equal parts by an imaginary line which center and it is right angled to the axis. The line is called the equator. The upper half is called the northern hemisphere and the lower half of the southern hemisphere. The revolution of the Earth and the tilt in the Earth axis causes change of seasons. When the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, the northern hemisphere has summer. During this period, the South Pole is tilted away from the Sun. The southern hemisphere has winter. Similarly, when the North Pole is tilted away from the Sun, it is winter in the northern hemisphere and summer in the Southern Hemisphere. There are 5 seasons in our country. In between summer and winter, we have autumn. In between winter and summer, we have spring. It is neither too hot or nor too cold during autumn and spring. The fifth season is the monsoon. In this season, it rains for most of the days and nights.